'cause I don't wanna be the girl who waits for you to come around, come around. I don't wanna be someone to hold when
welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put on your wigs if it's too small. I know it can be very frustrating when you order your wig and it comes too small. This is the first time this has happened to me and I had to make it work, so I'm going to show you guys how I made it work. And it's very simple, but I feel like this is just to help you out if your wig did come too small and you need a little bit of encouragement so you can wear your wigs outside. So yeah, this is how it came out. This wig was from Beautyforever hair. This is their box, right? It just came in their standard packaging with a wig cap and a headband, and this is how it came out. It did come pre-dyed. All I did was soak it in some purple shampoo for 15 minutes so it can get a little bit of ashy tones to it. But this is basically it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right into it. This is the wig after I'm done plucking it. I did comb it out so it's looking a little bit poofy. It is giving a little bit of like a white look. I'm gonna put it on my head. This wig does run a tad bit small, I notice. From my other wigs are like pretty good on my head, but this wig seemed to run a bit small, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about in 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation inside the lace, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my head like regular. And as you can see, it's very tight compared to my other wig. Like, it's very small, as though this is not a standard average size wig. This is more of like a small cap because it's not fitting my head properly. The back of my head is like, let me show you. Like this, it's not a comfortable fit at all. So you can see right here, I'm gonna try and finesse it, but I just want to let you know that this wig does run small. This is supposed to be an average size cap, but it's kind of small.
The attention is up. I ain't saying you competing, but I can tell you don't believe in us. No, no. So let me sip this tea. I'ma let you sip your wine in the candlelit room. I know what's on your mind. All I need is one time, babe. All I need is one time. You know just who you are. You know just who you are to me. You know just who you are. You know just who you are to me. Oh, this shit is old news. I already told you I am so down for you. I promise we can do things right. All I need is one time. Because you know just who you are. You know just who you are to me. I promise I will never leave, no. You know just who you are. You know just who you are to me.
tell me I'm the only one. Tell me that this can't be love. Are your feelings for me real? 'Cause my broken heart still hasn't healed. Not that I'm not trying to trust you, I just always watch my back. 'Cause boy, I'm not just anybody, so please don't treat me like that. I know a lot of niggas want me 'cause I'm the full package delivery, but I'm stuck on you like glue. It's so hard for me to move. This shit is old news, I already told you. I'm not here to argue, you just make it hard not to. Can't you just be mine? I promise you'll be fine. All I need is one time. All I need is one time. This shit is old news, I already told sleep you take, the things you like. Never wanna let me get out of your sight. Skin to skin, glistening, kinda like the stars tonight. The way they shine reminds me of the shade of blue that's in your eyes. How you see 'em better when we're in the light. You know I hate to see you leave, so why you going? My only good enough for you when we're alone. Nobody's perfect, but it feels like this ain't growing. Don't make it easier for me to let you go.
Okay guys, this was the end of the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, do leave a comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is how the wig turned out. It's really nice, and I helped it blend properly so it actually looks good. Even though it's very small, it looks good, so even if the wind blows, you're not gonna be clockable. Like, it's gonna look super natural, like nothing is going on here. Okay, this is the wig. This is Beautyforever hair. Make sure you click the links down below to check them out if you want a pre-lightened wig. And I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.